I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart a Toyota Camry. First, prioritize safety by wearing protective gear like safety glasses and gloves. Ensure both vehicles are completely turned off and in park or neutral with parking brakes engaged. Position the working vehicle close to your Camry, ensuring cables can reach both batteries without touching. You will need good quality jumper cables, ideally at least 10 feet in length, to complete this task safely. Now let's connect the jumper cables correctly. First, attach one red clamp to your Camry's dead battery positive terminal. Next, connect the other red clamp to the working vehicle's positive battery terminal. Then, attach one black clamp to the good battery's negative terminal. Finally, connect the remaining black clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Camry's engine block, away from the battery. With the cables securely connected, it is time to start the process. Begin by starting the engine of the working vehicle. Allow it to run for at least 5 minutes. This gives the dead battery some time to receive a charge. After this period, try to start your Toyota Camry. If it does not immediately start, do not despair. Wait another 5 minutes with the working car still running, then attempt to start your Camry again. Once your Camry is running, it is crucial to disconnect the cables in the correct reverse order to prevent any sparks. First, carefully remove the black or negative clamp from your Camry's engine block. Next, disconnect the black clamp from the working vehicle's negative battery terminal. Then, remove the red or positive clamp from the good battery. Finally, detach the red clamp from your Camry's positive battery terminal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.